Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the crypto markets. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Stocks up again yesterday, which is beautiful. MCRT pulling back after that huge 20% run. Tesla up 2%, Google 2%, SMR 2%, Intel 1.9%, again up 1.5% the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq just about to break all-time new high. And I posted this a while ago. If it breaks new all-time high, which this big recovery from 2021, we dropped all the way to 10,000 and then 16,000. If we break this, we're going to have a run, in my opinion, second to third impulse wave. If this Elliott wave count is correct, we could have a massive run on the Nasdaq, second to third impulse, taking us to 31,000 on the Nasdaq, which will be 100% move on the current stock market, which will be trillions of dollars we're talking about. Quite amazing. Bitcoin up at the top of the channel, stochastic on the monthly still heading up, which is beautiful. Weekly stochastic heading up very strongly. Crypto Guru bot still blew by, which it fired back in February 2023. Crypto Guru bot blew by from the bottom. Bitcoin indicator bot sell at 48k and hasn't fired a buy again, even though we're passing 48k. You can get those two bots in the crypto master course underneath the video. Go down underneath the video in the description on your phone. Number 2, the crypto master course has those bots included in them. And Bitcoin, you can see, is at the top of the channel right now, which is beautiful. You can see here that Bitcoin has reached the top of the channel. First touch here, pull back to here, 38,000, and now we're at 48k, the top of this channel. What I'm seeing here is a W formation. One formation is a W formation, which is a bullish pattern. Volume is increasing. Even though we're pumping out of here, volume is growing on Bitcoin. Volume predicts price, and you can see here we have huge volume on Bitcoin now. Stochastic turning up, 4 hourly, we hit resistance, bull flag, but this is a bull flag here. We've got a kind of bull flag forming. Here we have a giant bull flag that already formed. If we measure just out this bull flag, which would be from the base of this triangle, the pole distance, a conservative move out of this resistance, but we are at heavy resistance. And I'm going to show you what heavy resistance means. A move out of here would take us to 51,700. Now I'm going to show you what resistance lines mean. So here, when you zoom out, you can see in 21 and 2022, where we are right now was an area of massive resistance. You can see here we got heavily rejected here in 2022 March. We got rejected off that 48k. Here, 48k rejection. Here, 48k rejection and resistance. You can see this entire area here is a massive area of support and resistance. The longer a price stays in support and resistance, the stronger that support and resistance is in the future. So right where we are right now is a massive area of support and resistance. So I would wait for a pullback before I open a trade, because most likely you will get a pullback on heavy support resistance areas. So where I would open a trade on Bitcoin is pulling back to some strong support, which I would say would be there. Here. This is the trade I'll take. 46,031 opens the trade on the gray line, 46,031. That's where my trades open, these gray lines. Red lines, 45,712 is the stop loss. Green line at the top, the blue line, is the take profits, 49k and 61k. Risk to reward 47 times, risking $319 to make $15,117 with zero leverage. 10x leverage is $151,000 profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 46,031. If you want to watch how I trade Bitcoin under the video, go down below. Sign up to Bybit with this link. You get a $30,000 bonus if you use that link and you join our trading community. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is now $74,593 in the profits. $74,593, 603% gains. Amazing. And I've already collected 11,400 profit. So it's actually, I've already made on this trade from $12,000 margin, I've made $86,000 profit. From $12,000 trade cost, I've made $86,000 profit, which is huge gains. In this account, 563, up from 502,000 in the last 7 days. It reached 572 yesterday. But that's still where we are right now, is $63,000 gain from 502,000 in the beginning of the week to now 565,000. So last week I made a 61,000, almost $62,000 gain last week on these trades, which is beautiful. And in here I'm holding Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin USDT, 71,000, Doge 58,000, FXS 53,000, MCRT 50,000, 51,000, down 6%, but had 20% move yesterday. Uniswap down a little bit, Pocket down 3%, $30,000 of Pocket. I've got buy orders on Pocket at 23 cents. WorldCoin, this is what I'm holding in my portfolio. Let's quickly jump into Ethereum. And that's where, again, 46,031 is where I'd open that Bitcoin trade on a bit of a pullback, but it is bull flagging. So if you want to take a little bit riskier trade, but if Bitcoin pumps here, you want to, like, it is a bull flag. So a riskier trade would be from here. And same take profit target. The trade would open at 47,774, stop loss 47,440. Risk to reward would be 75 times, risking $179 to make $13,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage, 135,000. That's the riskier trade from 47,774. Safer trade 46,130 from the support. Let's go into Ethereum, 2,500. No pullback on Ethereum at heavy resistance, same as Bitcoin. A big pullback from resistance would take us to a massive area of support here. And that's where I would open the trade. But again, weekly is at 2298, stop loss 2271, take profit 28, and then 32. That's my Ethereum trade. 2298 is where I would open. That's my updates on the market. Everyone over on the Telegram, don't forget to join us. There's 9,000 of you in the announcement channel, 2,242 of you in this channel, and 74 of you are talking together right now. And you can see everyone talking about trades, talking about the markets, their current plans. This guy made 101%, which is amazing. Congratulations, VV. And you can just see people trading, sharing charts, talking about the Super Bowl. You can see it. Oh, cool. Someone's at there. You can see all of this inside the Telegram. This is just chats this morning, guys. This is from this morning. You can see everyone's charts and chats from just this morning, today. Right now it's 6 a.m. in the morning. And you can see everyone just discussing, trading, which is beautiful. Again, all the links to the exchanges down below. Number 1, 2 is the courses take, and 3 is join the Telegram. 1, 2, 3. Love you all. Have an amazing day. That's my updates in the market. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.